For all of you who are interested in rhetoric, I have a great announcement. I'm really happy and excited to announce the inauguration of the Rhys Lectureship in Public Letters, which is a new appointment within the versed community. This lectureship will be held by a writer, a critic, or a professor whose work champions literature as a form of aesthetic expression and as a vital mode of civic engagement. Now, the Rhys Lecturer will curate and deliver a sequence of lectures that speak to the enduring role of the literary arts in shaping public life. Now, this new lectureship bears the name of Ernest Rhys, who is a Welsh-English writer, critic, and essayist who edited the Everyman's Library, one of the most ambitious efforts to democratize literary access in the English-speaking world. In fact, if you're a reader, you probably have an edition of an Everyman book lying around. This is an old one with the Morocco leather, but they often have this very distinct floral gilt. And of course, my camera's not focusing, which is so on brand for this channel. But he was such a great editor, and he's one of the unsung heroes of the 20th century, and his work with the Everyman's Library brought the classics of world literature to millions of people at the price of a shilling. J.M. Dent was the main idea behind this, the main driver, but Rhys was the one who was supplying many of the first introductory essays and really encouraged J.M. Dent to keep going. So Rhys devoted his life to the proposition that literature belongs to all, not just those within the academic walls. And his introductory essays to the classics, many of which are in the Everyman Library, formed a kind of people's canon. It actually shaped the canon and the way the canon was being formed inside the academy, because it had to contend with what was being formed outside of it because of Rhys. And it offered intellectual clarity and expanded the horizons of the reading public. So that honors him. But the first holder of this lectureship will be Dr. Curry Kennedy, who will deliver a series of lectures on rhetoric to the members of Versed, beginning in the fall. Dr. Kennedy is an assistant professor in the English department at Texas A&M University, where he also teaches rhetoric. His research focuses on the history of rhetoric, especially rhetorical education and religious practices, and a member of the steering committee for the American Society for the History of Rhetoric, where he also works to promote and expand the teaching of rhetorical history. So he's very interested in both the practice and the history. And this lecture series is titled Rhetoric as a Way of Life, an Introduction to Rhetorical Tradition. And these lectures present rhetoric as an art of living well in language. This is from his description. Drawing from 2,500 years of rhetorical tradition, we'll explore how the great rhetoricians of the past envisioned human nature. We'll discuss how people can discover and develop their inherent talents as communicators, how people can become more mindful and careful about their speaking and listening, and how the pursuit of eloquence is the surest path to wisdom. Each lecture will include practical steps to becoming a more generous thinker and a more vivid speaker and writer. And I love the way he described there that rhetoric involves living well in language. That's such a great turn of phrase. So for those of you who are also studying rhetoric or became interested in it recently, these lectures will be excellent companions to your study. After each lecture, there will be a brief Q&A session in which members can ask questions to Dr. Kennedy. So I hope you'll join us for that. In the spirit of Ernest Rhys's legacy, these lectures will embody the belief that the humanities flourish when they step beyond the page and into public life, when they move beyond the academy and take on a new life with readers beyond. And they affirm the place of rhetoric and literature in a democratic society. Rhetoric is something greater than an ornament of education or a prerequisite to a curriculum. It's the moral and the intellectual instrument of clarity, discernment, and civic virtue. So, these lectures will be archived and available exclusively to members of the Versed community, which will ensure that their insights may serve both current participants and future learners. This is a major milestone for Versed community and a really defining moment, I think, of our shared intellectual journey. So I hope to see you there. Thanks for watching, and until next time.